So today we're going to be working in Module 6 in your Eureka workbook. We're going to turn to page 27, Lesson 5 problem set. And we're going to be using this coordinate plane on this page to answer some questions. Along the way, we're going to learn some rules about how to generate certain types of lines in a coordinate plane. But for now, let's just open up to page 27, Lesson 5 problem set in your Eureka workbook. It says you're going to need a straight edge for this. A straight edge can be a ruler, or you can just use the side of another book to help you draw your lines. So number 1 says use a straight edge to construct a line that goes through points A and B. So I'm going to draw a line connecting those. My line is not going to be not too bad. There's my line with a little bit of a bump in it. And we're going to label this E. So you're going to learn in geometry that we often label lines and line segments, points with letters. So we're going to call this line E. So you're going to complete this workbook page, and then you're going to do an exit ticket. And the exit ticket will be completed using the answers that you get on this workbook page. So it says line E is parallel to which axis? Well, remember, this is your x-axis. And over here, we have our y-axis. So remember, parallel lines never intersect. So we're taking a look and we're saying this is parallel to, of course, the answer would be to the x-axis. Then it says plot 2 more points on line E. So your points can be anywhere on this. It doesn't have to be where I'm plotting my points. I'm just going to put a point here, and I'll put a point there. I'm going to call this point C, and I'm going to call this point D. Name them C and D. So down here it says give the coordinates for each point. Remember, when you give coordinates, you need to use parentheses and a comma, and we give the x coordinate first. So if I'm counting over from the origin, I'm counting over 1, 2, 3 units to the right and 4 units up. So point A is at 3, 4. Point B is 1 hop past the 10, so that's 11. And again, that's 4. 11, 4. Now your coordinates for C and D may be a little different than mine, depending on where you plotted them. I'm going to make sure I'm counting this carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Are you noticing a pattern here? Because that's the point of this work. We're looking for patterns in our coordinates. Hopefully you're noticing something. D would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. So I'm not going to give you that answer, but you're going to write down here, and you'll complete this in your exit tickets. What do all of the points E have in common? So look at their coordinates. What do you notice that is the same about them? So this is our x coordinate. This is our y coordinate. Hopefully you're seeing that each point has the same y coordinate. The y coordinate for each point is 4. That's what you would write there. Okay? Don't forget to hand in that Google form. Good work.